I am Arnaud and I'm working for a client leading in the field of humanoid robotics with an international context, for whom we manage all the support and the maintenance of their ERP business by design. At Sileron, 1/3 of our customers that we support have carried out the ERP implementation with another partner, which is the case here. It was essential for a customer, which is a subsidiary of an international group, to be able to manage at their own level the maintenance and the support of the ERP in their own country by relying on local and specific expertise. So outsourcing the maintenance and the support with Sileron has enabled them to benefit from a local team of SAP by design experts. It also allowed them to reduce their costs and improve responsiveness with requests dealt with within 4 hours. Usually when we talk about maintenance and support, the scope often seems to be limited to only assistance and error correction. But at Sileron it's much more than that. As we meet your requests in terms of system upgrades or overhauls, we can also provide you with training courses, but most importantly, we share our system and business knowledge to help you to get the most out of your SAP Business by Design ERP. And this applies whether or not we implemented your ERP, as demonstrated by this client who was very happy with the work provided by Sileron in terms of approach or expertise that we brought to this project.